Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to renew your Zego insurance quickly and easily using the Zego Sense app. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Zego Sense app installed on your phone. Next, open the app and tap the policies option at the bottom of the screen. Then, find the policy you want to renew and tap Renew Now. Keep in mind, this option will only appear if you're in your renewal window. Double check that all the information about your policy is still correct. If you want to add any optional extras, you can do so on the next screen. You'll then see your payment amount. Make sure you read and agree to the terms of business, then tap Continue. Check that your payment details are up to date. You can choose to pay in a single payment or monthly installments for annual policies. If you want to use a new payment card, add it, verify the details, then select it and tap Continue. And that's it. Your Zego policy will be successfully renewed. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.